No. You have to read it.
What's this word?
Beaver. Beaver.
Beaver. Look at all the beaver.
Hold up.
Whoop. What? Hug. Look.
Why?
Open up
Why?
the picture.
Why?
Why?
Cause why?
Cause why? Cause why?
Cause why? You're going to a Beaver concert!
Yes!
Yes! Do you want to go?
Do you want to go to a beaver concert? This. Or Mom and I go.
And Nina. Are you excited?
Yeah, she's speechless.
Yeah.
They're your
Tickets to go to the concert to see him. Get up, you'll be on stage.
Look, you wanna?
I don't think she understands what a concert is.
You'll get to go and see him like
He'll be on stage
how
singing,
you
live
watch
singing.
him on. These are get you in so we can see him up on stage.
You and
singing.
Mommy.
Front seat.
We'll be close to him. We're gonna go see Justin
You'll
Bieber.
be, yeah, like you're looking at Mommy, you'll be looking at Justin. How freaking cool is that?
You don't. You just need the.
Do you want to go?
Keep
Do
up.
you want to go or you want me, Ma, to go instead? You want to go?
What, are you sure?
Sure? All
Are you
right.
excited?
But it's a long time.
Okay, you know what? We made. Dita helped Mommy, and she made. Because it's a little ways away. And we made calendars, and you have to, you get to you can hang these in your room, and you X it out
Every day.
every day
Countdown.
for a countdown.
43 days to go. That's for May. I don't know. Don't worry
Bag, I
about
think.
it.
And then this, and then look. Today is the day.
Whoop, whoop.
That's the day we'll get to go. See ya.
5 days to go. 3 days to go. Almost there. Today's the day.
We're gonna go see them like them girls, like you see the videos and the girls are standing
On TV, standing there screaming, looking at him. That's going to be you, Sissy.
Yeah.
Morgan, don't do that.